everyone. Today we're going to go over kind of a merging of Godzilla and King Kong, okay? Say whatever name you want and what you think we should call it, so let's jump right into this mixture of Godzilla versus King Kong. Whew. So I'm going to go right into the face, and I'm going to give it more of like a King Kong type face right there. So I'm going to draw like a slight curve for the eye, and the eye over here on this side. Down over here, down over here in the actual eye area, curve underneath, curve underneath. He's got beady eyes. I'm trying to draw him kind of more or less small on the page because I know he's gonna be pretty big ultimately. Curve over here for the nostrils, curve over here, line for the nostrils there. Maybe a curve along the top. Dot, dot for the eyes. Now we're gonna go over here and kind of draw out a angry yelling face. So I'm thinking of King Kong's face when I think about that. Curve underneath. Line over here for the canine. And the teeth in between there. Line down, line down, line underneath here. Same thing, smaller sharp teeth and large line around the side for the canines. Curve underneath here. Line over here, line over here. Line under here, line over here. Line underneath, up, line underneath, up. Line over here for kind of the brows right there. You want the brows kind of big on him. And King Kong has really big brows, right? It's really deep set eyes like gorillas have. So they've got more or less like a kind of a werewolf face. I guess it kind of evens out into that. All right. Gonna go over here, the cheekbone. All right, and now let's think about the top of the head. What is that gonna be like? It's gonna be shaped like King Kong, but it's gonna have some maybe frills on it, the way like Godzilla's skin would have. So he's gonna have like a almost like a scaly effect here. Curve over here, line down, fill in the gap over here on this side. Basically the dark portions of it, of the pit of the mouth. Down over here, and you can draw the ear on this side and the ear on this side because King Kong does have the ear. Essentially, I'm thinking of like a reptilian kind of Kong in a way. Kind of pretty reptilian. I gotta draw, again, some texture right there so far. Cool. Now we're gonna draw the body. So more King Kong body, but like the spikes of Godzilla. And I think his face needs to look more animalistic. I'm thinking of drawing the gums right here. Just a very thin line for the gums. That makes it look a little bit more animalistic. And then we're going to draw a shoulder here and that's going to be obviously King Kong's type of body. Back over here for the tricep, bicep, curve down for those long gorilla arms, elbow at the end over here, maybe with a spike with the elbow, curve in, top of the hand, over here for the thumb. Down over here, pull up. And you have these giant claws because it combines kind of combining King Kong's hand along with Godzilla's. Curve, 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 curve. Line, line over here. Let's go over here on this side and we're gonna draw the, let's see, curve of the chest over here on this side. Rest of the chest over here. Downward. Foot and the back there. Gonna go over here for the far side arm. Downward. Downward over here. More or less just gonna kind of hang down right there. Spike over here. Right on. Next thing I want to do is I want to draw the Godzilla spikes in the back over here. Just more or less just mountains, right? Just mountain shapes. Line, line, line. Curve over here. Still kind of that separation. So that separation over here. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. Line over here on this side. And I'm going to throw some of the slight curves right here to give it like textured area right here. Curve over here, curve over here, just kind of slowing these little curves everywhere. This, or you could draw this, right? These long strides, striations, and then go this way right here. That can totally give it the exact same effect if you want to. Line over here, line over here, underneath. And pulling over here. Really bizarre design, right? It's really hard to merge these guys to kind of like, again, like a reptile gorilla thing going on. And then if you want, you can throw the tail back here somewhere. You can draw enough of the feet over here. Draw the legs downward, it's going to vignette. At this point, I can draw mostly detail because I have most of the body in. I'm mostly going to throw like maybe some other curved lines over here for the texture. More texture right there. He's going to be pretty much all texture because, by the way, if you like mixtures like this, hit the like button. Absolutely hit the like button if you do like these kind of what if scenarios. They're really fun to do, so like I said, maybe make some up, like put some in the comments, like what do you guys want to see. Anyways, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. That is like, I don't know what this is. This mixture of Godzilla, King Kong. If you have a name for it, let me know. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the pretty much the next video. I post 3 times a day. Don't forget, check out the main website on sketchingeasy.com. It is fun to do that, so thank you. And I guess I can add some shadow here. I'm still like working on it. There you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, this monstrous form here. And I'll talk to you next time.